Parts list. Drill screws into board 1 and 2. Install board 3 and 4. Install drawer slides on board 1 and 2. Install board 5 and 6. Tighten screws. Install board 1. Tighten screws. Install corner connectors. Drill screws into board 8, 9, and 10. Assemble the drawer. Tighten screws. Drill screws into the back of the drawer front. Install the drawer front. Tighten screws. Install hinges on board 12, the door. Install the door on the cabinet. Install nail-on feet. Install drawer on the drawer glides. Place the sink on top. Assembly complete.